Hello everyone, today I'll introduce to you how to use the BDC3 specific dismantling free clip. KD-X4 Programming cable. Add an OEM key to a BDC3. This OEM key has been soldered according to the wiring diagram. For the convenience of shooting, we use two programming harnesses. First, open the packaging box of the BDC3 specific dismantling free clip and take out the product. Here are 4 wire definitions: orange, black, red, brown. Connect the corresponding colored wires of the programming cable to the holes. Now, I'll demonstrate to you how to connect the wires. First, turn on these 4 switches. Then connect the 4 colored wires of the programming cable: orange, black, red, and brown, in order. For better contact, please lengthen the wire ends slightly. Otherwise, poor contact may occur, resulting in failure to read. Now open the back cover of the original car key. Now clip the BDC3 specific dismantling free clip onto the key. Now power on the KD-X4. Now open the Keydiy app on your mobile device. Click Bluetooth settings, connect KD-X4. Connection successful. Return to the home page. Click IMO Programming. Click IMO Programming. Choose BMW. Click Select by Type. Choose U Chassis BDC3 BCP Anti-Theft System. Click Start Execution. Here you can check the wiring diagram. Here the BDC3 specific dismantling free clip has been properly clipped. The OEM key has also been properly connected according to the wiring diagram. Return. It should be noted that the OEM key must be soldered. Directly reading will not work. Click Add Key. Click OK. Choose G Chassis BDC3 Clone. Click OK. Now connect the programming harness connected to the original car key to the KD-X4. Click Read Chip Data. Click OK. Click OK. Reading successful. Now connect the original key that will be used to write the data. Click Original Key Non-Vehicle. Click OK. Click OK. Generation successful. Now this PCB is ready to be installed into the case for use.